Alright, gentle people, Bunny here, Wagwan. So, as I said, 100 video special and want to do something different for it, so why not a vlog? So, for today, we're actually planning to shoot a number of stuff for you guys here. We want to start shooting Ghetto Parent episode 2. So, today we're actually gonna head over to Monique's place and just see what we can do, shoot some videos, have some fun. So, stick around. So, I guess I should probably try leaving out now. Or probably now transitioning to her place in 3, 2, 1. And boom! We're here!
Yes!
Alright, so people, we're here at Monique's place, so...
Yes, I'm here and we're ready to record. And every time this guy look at me, Mr. Bunny here, he must laugh because guess what? We're celebrating Valentine's. Me, apparently. Not it. Not Bunny.
That's what I deal with my people, you know what I mean? Like, I do nothing, you know what I mean? But honestly, I best Valentine I have, honestly. Can't ask some more.
Your life boring, Bunny.
No, in a where we at talking about?
Your life boring like Sokoti Wagam.
What? What you saying?
Yes. Well, anyways, we're here because we're ready to shoot. It's shooting day.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of materials that we want to cover.
Yeah. So, as I mentioned for this whole 100 video special, like during the shooting or more like in between the shooting, we'll be taking like a little vlog for you guys out there. So, yeah.
Yes, definitely.
This thing on. Yo, still here. Boy, I'm just there, man. I'm just there, like, honestly, chilling, not really shooting day, as you've already seen and heard, and Mama! I do it for lunch.
Stew puss or stew dog? Yes, Sanjay, what you want? Stew puss or stew dog?
Boy, me know still.
Listen.
No appearance,
Yeah, me know, me not photogenic at all, you see me? That is the funny part, you see me? Like,
Lord, I was running Sanjay, you look
tell
your
him,
ass,
man, tell him, man.
Sanjay, while at it look too girl, no?
Listen, stop stressing, man.
Woman. Hello. Bunny here is single and him needs somebody to mingle.
Listen, she just wants to stress me, isn't me? Kimry, talk to her.
Kimmy, no
now.
one like camera. Kimmy, hide. So you can try edit that part out, guys. Guys, Kimmy got in sick and she not sick.
Yes, me?
Sanjay go edit it out, Kimmy, see that? Yo, Sanjay, she does. So you don't get a question, you questions and we get a chance.
Yes, me?
This man.
No, in the far.
In the far, I want different place you go.
I see him place, but remember saying you go in, you have to go round a few
Okay,
months.
Marie, nobody knows you can just you're sick and dead. You can't go buy the prescription.
Forget it.
Okay. Sure.
Oh, there is some
You see, yellow line?
funeral me attack you there.
Sanjay, I saw she disrespect me all the time.
I saw it always gonna.
And you see, she no disrespect her uptown friend them, you know. And I saw she do me through my black. And then you black MC. I saw she do my sister.
See there, Black History Month, see, you know, yes, I mean, it's a sign.
I'll be nice every come in. All me are screaming. I'm gonna swear it's a reporter.
Listen,
So yeah, could I tell her what's happening?
listen, I can't, I have to make money talk more about it, isn't me? I actually like hear her talk.
Aww, thank you, Bunny.
That's what I do.
How about you call him?
Funny Sanjay, whichever works, I mean. Some says I have
Him like when you
names.
call him Bunny. Him like it. Him like the name. Him prefer Bunny more than Sanjay for some weird reason.
Listen, I wouldn't say I prefer it more than Sanjay. I'm just saying.
Because it brings up conversation when people call
Well,
you Bunny. Like, where you get that name from?
Yeah,
Is that
you
your
see,
right name?
exactly,
Who
isn't
name
it?
you?
You have to make that good first impression, isn't it? You know, it's
Sanjay,
funny.
shut up.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
That country next week.
Just-
Jesus, please give me the time of country one more time. Give me make a work, make a start work. As
Yeah,
of next
we
week, we
have
have
early for that one.
make up a 9 to 5.
Why is 9 to 5 life now go work? You know,
You say not work.
now go work.
The blood of Jesus.
Shadow.
Blood and trees, Ras.
Meet me order your
Road settings, people. Road.
Where's the camera?
I'll order you a road.
You'll order with what?
Tell you if it.
You can't do that. You do that all your life, not next week. All your life you order me a road.
You
Psychologically.
can do it. Alright, when we give you one, you want me to give you one country story? And you have to go for Sophia House.
Give me the country story, man. What? What?
I'm fine.
We can't go shoot up there, you know, because nobody know up there.
Yeah, and it's a good spot. Oh, we're gonna reach up there.
Go on.
Okay,
This
so
is shot.
so we're here in the lovely Maxid. I can't give up my location because I don't want nobody can look for me and I can't take no raping idea. Anyways, we're here and it's all about Black History Month and we're celebrating Black History Month. As we all know, we're doing a special on BLA Productions. Yes, Sanjay, Bonnie, you hear me loud and clear?
Mm-hmm.
And you're not hearing no feedback or whatever.
Go.
Hello, good morning. We're here in Kingston, Jamaica. A tragic accident just took place in this small community. And here we're on location to get some more information. We have eyewitnesses on the scene. Please follow us. Hello.
I studied my script.
What? Alright, make I see that still from the bloopers.
Yes.
All right, please, can you tell us what happened?
Wait, I can't like this.
Okay, sure.
The line, I can't like
So we're there in the streets.
Yes, on a big up on a nice clean self. On a don't know this is Lisa, nice clean body. Answer the reporter over there. So.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, man. So, don't know Ghetto Parent episode 2 for the vlog. Don't know.
Let me get
Oh, here you go. You
Plug out this.
just take it out. It's lyrical.
Okay, me know. Yes, guys, with the ear in the road. And this is done with a nice, clean, good body, Lisa. And with the Maxfield, and we are big up Megan. Big up,
put my scarface in this.
big up Megan. Big up Megan.
Don't put my scarface in this.
Big up Megan. Big up Megan with that nice. Big up Nancy. Nancy, big up yourself. Who don't like we truck off? Who don't like we truck right off? And guys, Lord God, Sanjay, what me do? Guys, I don't know if you want to see me, but me do something. Sandre, my finger press something.
Oh, there was something up on the screen. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're back in progress. And
Let's make sure it's lyrical. Yeah, it's lyrical still.
yes, and there we have the news reporter. He's decent. And once I start video, everybody scatter. Every man scatter. Once I start video. But anyways, look at me. And that me say them MP come love. Alright, Sanjay, I'm tired of this now.
Serious.
So go change my clothes.
Alright, gentle people. They're back on one base, Probably not the best transitions for this vlog, quote unquote, but it is what it is. I hope you enjoy it for the most part. I have like a bunch of editing to do at this point, so yeah. So anyway, after this 100th video, a bunch of the stuff that we did today I'm gonna put up definitely, so look out for that. But anyway, I guess rate, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.